Cześć, witajcie tutaj ASW, a to jest kolejny odcinek z Afterfall Insanity.
Marcina chytła trema, nie? Ostatni odcinek, to nie ma przelewek. Zobaczymy wreszcie zwieńczenie tej chorej produkcji.
Tak.
Tak więc jedźmy z tym koksem. Koksem?
Botoksem. Obyku.
Domino grozy.
Dobra, jedziemy.
Train number 42 finally reached its destination.
Astmatyk.
Reclaim what's yours? We have a lot to discuss.
Pościg za
Can't be
iście
serious.
tajemniczą
After all
postacią.
we've been through?
O, nabrzmiałe problemy. Mam w tle. Nadal zastanawia mnie kurwa, Wembley. Nie, to nie było Wembley. Co to tam pisało? Nie Wembley, tylko... Owaj! Oje. Niechaj żywi nie tracą nadziei.
Właśnie. Kurde, muszę nie wiem, czekać.
No, czekać.
Aż się życie zregeneruje.
O.
Co?
No już. Biegaj!
Kurde, to na dole. To.
Co?
Nie, to na dole było.
Tak? No, nie. Tak? Nie. Nie.
Gdzie?
Tam. Tam. O, tam. No.
A.
A?
Aż to takie buty. Pojebany śmiech.
Every bullet makes you feel less tense.
Ty dynamizm tej cutsceny, nie?
Właśnie.
To jest po prostu. I to jest...
O!
No. Chybnął jak...
Ja bym się zabił.
Ja też, kurwa.
Taka wysokość.
O. Bunkier pięść. Pięść.
Save them from themselves.
Generatory.
Wiem.
Nie bej!
They were dead
Gdzie?
long before. Give up
Twardy jest.
brain. Conceivable.
Dawaj!
They weren't cold. They
Jeps.
weren't even human.
Oponent ma jaja wielkości watermelonów. Do tego chyba... Znaczy z czegoś, co na pewno nie przewodzi prądu. Jakie pozy wywala.
We're like brothers, you and I.
Też lubi cięcia.
Jeb.
Twardy jest.
Kurwa, z czego on ma ten ryj?
Z tytanu. To się nazywa zakuty łeb. O. Jeps.
I w dupę. I w dupę. I w...
Się jebany zdyslokacjonował. Jeb... Och nie!
kurwa.
Jak tu się szybko wylało! Bez jaj.
Taka prędkość.
Gdzie ta pinda? Uwaga, woda!
Clothes wet.
Jakieś kurwysynie, gdzieś ty się podział.
Tam jest!
No one survived.
Żebym się schował.
Thought about that.
Uwaga, czekaj. O,
A, ty się bałem.
strzelaj! Czekaj, strzelaj!
Nie?
Nie, 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 nie. O, teraz. Nie. Wol. Dobrze. Byłaś z prądu!
Allow it?
A, scena.
What the?
You always wanted this. You were always trying to be like me.
Why would I ever want to be like you? I had a life there. Not a perfect one, but peaceful. Why did you have to destroy it?
Destroyed? I gave it back. The life you lost, the life the bombs took away, and the shelter gate sealed off.
I never asked you for anything.
Oh, but you did. More often than you think. Sometimes you almost begged me to do things you weren't capable of.
Je!
Nie.
Kurwa. Patrz, jaka fajta! Nie. Jak Seagal. Leci go tam z nożem, a on.
On zawsze ma ten wyraz twarzy taki.
Leci pocisk, leci rakieta. Nie.
I'm tired of this.
Lies, I'm tired of this. Why don't you just shut up?
Prawie dostał w ryj. Albercik,
Ty pizdo.
dlaczego
Time to
Miękka.
finish what you started.
dajesz się jakiemuś ziomalowi? Taki zaczys. Pięsicić. What the?
I don't believe it.
I don't believe it.
Seven.
This is the one
Seventh this year.
Seven this year.
True.
Fucking traffic.
I know. Did somebody open a highway here? At this rate, we'll have to start building residential quarters in the 4 sub-levels sooner than we thought.
True.
True.
Come on.
Będzie po raz
lucky
trzeci?
bastard.
True. Fucking lucky.
And she was like, I should have listened to my mother.
True. Fucking vixen.
What did I expect? She was a stripper, for fuck's sake.
She was a stripper, for
The man
fuck's
who
sake!
understands a girl like that.
True. Fucking whore.
Prawda,
Hey,
prawda,
you
nie
call
pana
her whore
dziwka.
one more time, and I swear to God.
True.
Wait a minute. Shouldn't we be carrying him differently?
True. Fucking
True.
true.
Ten pan chyba na poczcie robił.
One more time, Mr. Tokai. Slowly. Tell us what happened.
This time, try this. The shelter was contaminated by an unknown type of virus that caused sudden psychological and physical changes. I was ordered to investigate the strange behavior of the first victims on the 2nd sublevel.
Ordered by who?
Colonel Potocki.
Piłsudski,
What
nie
did you find on
Potocki.
the second sublevel?
People exposed to the virus exhibited symptoms of psychosis. The bodies of some started to mutate. Every victim of the virus was extremely aggressive.
You said it wasn't an accident.
Yes.
Inny
Saw
głos
him
albo
first time in the reactor room. But I think I met him earlier. It doesn't matter. He was the one responsible for the tragedy. He tried to
Przyszedł
cover up the
mutację?
evidence by damaging the
O,
reactor.
Piłsudski.
Fortunately,
Świnio.
Professor
Wąs
Tomaszewski's help
jest
I managed
dalej.
to repair the malfunction before everything blew up.
Speaking of Professor Tomaszewski, what happened to him?
Nothing changed since the last time I told you. His immune system was weak.
Tam jest.
Despite my illness, the virus killed him.
I see. What about Mr. Gottler? Did the virus kill him too?
I'm not sure. He was prone to depression. Tried to hide it, but his jokes were bitter. Confinement syndrome and all this chaos were too much for him.
I to jest chyba ten gościu,
But you
co...
weren't the only one to
Ten
escape.
blond,
Tak,
ta pizda! Co ma łeb,
I wouldn't say
kurna,
listen.
Zostali
rondo
dupę.
odporny.
Karolina Janicka managed to leave the shelter. We were supposed to meet in the building with the aid logo. When I arrived, all I found was a note saying that she went on. The whole city was a full-scale model, a military training ground of some sort. Oh, did she end up reaching the Fist?
No. You were the only outsider we've seen since that junker 2 months ago. Thank you, Mr. Tokai. That will be all. Please wait here.
Dlaczego nie widać jego
Personnel
twarzy?
will arrive shortly. You have to go through the quarantine.
Bo on nie ma twarzy, on ma ryj. On ma mordę. Ohydną mordę.
Z zakolami.
Too careful.
Ci zakolaj ma czaszkie.
It's probably a silly question. But
Do you want to talk with
us?
a psychiatrist?
What the fuck?
I think I'm fine.
What the?
Wojciech Pazdur!
Koniec?
Interpretację pozostawiamy wam, bo ja nie wiem kompletnie co się stało. Czemu Piłsudski? Czemu makieta miasta? Dlaczego makieta miasta?
Właśnie.
Że co, że to cały czas był on, Albert pojebany, ale że jak, to co, że czemu taki, a nie inny?
Piszcie w komentarzach. Lub nie.
What the fuck has happened?
Dobra, z tej strony był ASW z kanału Freaky Gamers
I profesor W.
tak zwany jako Lord Scaremonger. Narka.